Hello, CoolToy friends. Today we have Mini BRATZ Flashback Minis Series 1. This little box contains one set, so that means 2 minis, and it is a limited edition. Here are 4 of the Bratz, the girl with a passion for fashion. Woo! We are gonna be opening 12 surprise boxes. This is how the box looks in the front, side, back, side, basically nothing. And this is the bottom. There are numbers here, but they don't mean anything, really, guys. I already checked. All of them have the same number. Look, and trust me when I tell you that all of them have the same number. So let's open it. I already cut the tape here, so we don't have to worry about that part. That's the bottom, and then you just slide the box out, and then we have this little zippy. Let's see if it opens. Oh, it works! It works, and it's so easy. I am ecstatic. Oh, that was great. It feels so good. Beautiful. The B from Bratz. In the front says Mini Bratz and a cute pink lip. These purple plastic boxes look very cute, and they are made in a trapezoid shape. Let's see. They're also divided into 2 parts. Let's go for this one. Maybe this is the collector's guide. That will be great. What's this? MGA, a whole bunch of pictures of dolls. Thank you for purchasing your product. What? Okay. And wait. Okay, this is not the collector's guide. Where is the collector's guide? It's not here. Let me check the other one. It's not here. Maybe it's inside of the package. Maybe, right? So let's open this one. There is bigger. The packaging has a lot of bees from Bratz. And it's paper. I am so excited. We open with a boy. I think it is fair to open with a boy from time to time, right, guys? This is a Bratz boy, and its name is Dylan. 20 years. He's wearing a shirt and black pants, and he's also wearing a hat. This little thing here is like a stand, or it could work as a stand. The boxes can work as, packaging and also stand for the dolls, which is great. Put you here and see if it works. Yep, it does work. Okay. Don't fall. Didn't you eat today? Are you dizzy? There we go. And let's see if the other pack has the collector's guide inside. There's no collector's guide. What is this? The motorcycle for the boy. Wow, the motorcycle is in blue and silver, and it looks amazing. This side of the box also has a stand, so we could use it for our other mini. This is the thing. We don't have a collector's guide, and that is unacceptable. In the Mini Bratz display at Target, it says that there are 24 minis to collect. How am I gonna know which ones am I missing? I need to be able to know to part from somewhere, and MGA didn't provide that. I don't know why. Ridiculous, but I have to fix this. Let's do this. This is PR Newswire. It's a website that is very widely used by companies to send their press releases when they have a new product or news about their companies. So here I found this, which is the closest thing that I could find resembling a collector's guide. Here are all the Mini Bratz Flashback Minis. So I took the image, added numbers a checkbox and the name of each one of the minis for educational purposes, plus a title and subtitle. Now I have my own collector's guide from Mini BRATZ Flashback Minis Series 1. We can check Dylan and the motorcycle because we already got it. We got Sasha. Sasha is wearing a cute silver hat, a top in orange and pink, and a long skirt. That's how it looks in the back. And that is Sasha. Where is Sasha in the collector's guide? Number 21. Check. The next, the other side. What is it gonna have, guys? Is it gonna be another doll? I think so. Yep, another doll from the wintertime collection. We got Jasmine. The boots are adorable. Love them. The pink hat and the cute little coat are to die for. Okay, so Jasmine is number 22. Next, who should I take? I'll take this one. We got another Sasha, and this one is from the Tokyo A Go-Go group. This is how the packaging looks in the back. Sasha is wearing her hair loose with a turtleneck in white, blue, and pink. She's also wearing very, very cool pants. And she's number 15. Oh yeah. There is a pattern here, guys. There is a pattern. Woo! We discovered the pattern. And now we got Jade. Sasha is 15 and Jade is 16. I'm just gonna check Jade since I'm here. So let's see. We have opened 3 sets. This set, which is Sasha and Jade, the last one. The previous one was Sasha and Jasmine. And the first one was the motorcycle style and Dylan. So I will say that 17 is gonna go with 18, and 19 is gonna go with 20, and 13 is gonna go with 14, and so on. Okay, Jade, let's give you your minute of fame. Jade is wearing silver pants with a blue shirt. She has long black hair. The back of the package looks like this. Next. Who do we have? We got Chloe. She's wearing jeans with a blue crop top. That is the back. A blue bandana in her hair. This is how the back looks. And Chloe is number 20. Let's make it longer. We got Jade. Jade has very black hair. She's wearing black makeup, black pants, a chain hanging from her pants with a star, and a blue shirt with an image in the front that resembles the United Kingdom flag. And she is pretty in punk. Okay, Jade, you are gonna go on your stand. Jade is number 19. Next box, Mini BRATZ. We just got Kumi, guys. Kumi, my favorite doll from this collection. She's so beautiful and belongs to the World Collector's Edition, Tokyo, Japan. Her Japanese kimono in blue, red, gold details, and yellow is spectacular. And what do you think about those adorable shoes? Too cute, too cute. We got 2 because I haven't told you, but I also have this. This is part of the display. They gave it to me. Now I have these 4 extra dolls. So are we gonna get Jasmine Rock Angels now? Let's see. Yes! Jasmine is wearing a white head cap. She actually looks very good on it. She's also wearing a dark top with a white neckline, and and purple pants. So it looks like this in the back. Jasmine Rock Angels is checked. You know what? I had to change things up, so that looks better. Oh well, our first duplicate is not bad. So if we get Chloe, we are gonna get Jade now. Yep, we got Jade, pretty in punk. So that's another duplicate. No more duplicates, no more duplicates. The next one, we're gonna take one from the back. Who are we gonna have now? Guys, I cannot have any more duplicates, so let's see. I need the red car. I know I already have it, but I want another one. Oh, we're gonna get the red car. I think we are. Cameron is wearing a checkered pattern shirt and blue jeans. This is a view from the back of his packaging. Oh yeah, we got Cameron. I think Cameron comes with the red car. Ah, that's gonna be awesome. Cameron, are you bringing me my red car? Oh, I will love that. Let's find out. Oh, yes! Awesome! We got the red car. Yay, yay, yay! Woohoo! Beep, 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 beep. It says there is a Rock Angels cruiser. Loving it. We're gonna put you next to Cameron. Check. And wait, I forgot to put a box for the Rock Angels cruiser. I'll just draw one right now. There we go. Now I have a box. And check. Let's take that one from behind. Mini BRATZ. No more duplicates. No. We got Jade again. Oh, I don't want duplicate. Yeah, another duplicate, Sasha. See, this pattern is very easy to figure it out. And I'm getting too many duplicates. So not liking that, not liking it. And next. Another duplicate, Sasha. Oh. And if we get Sasha, we get Jasmine, the wintertime collection. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, let's be positive. I'm gonna start from this side. Maybe it will give me good luck. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. That's exactly what I'm talking about. We got number 8. Chloe, Tokyo and Go-Go. Chloe is wearing a delicious set of clothes. I see Chloe's outfit and I think him pizza or top it up with a pistachio ice cream. She is wearing blue pants, a very cute skirt in orange, black top, and a green bandana in her hair. Adorable. Sasha is number 8. You are gonna go, my dear girl, all the way to the top. We got Jasmine flaunted. Jasmine is wearing blue jeans and a cute little top in yellow and blue. She has her hair loose, a back view, and let's check this baby out. Check. Jasmine, you are gonna go all the way to the top because you deserve it. Now it's your turn. Come on, guys. Give me some of the dolls that are on top. Or at least don't give me any more duplicates. I don't want any more duplicates. I only have 2 more boxes and I think I got my fair share of duplicates already. So no more duplicates, please. Or I'll be very mad. what do we have here? Oh, I like her. Yes, I do. I really do. She's my favorite one, but now I have 3 of her. Yeah. Rock Angels. Oh, Jasmine, why did you have to come this way? Okay, let's swap. And my last box, the last one, guys, the last box. And we are not doing that well, really not. Ugh, not fun at all. At least I know which ones I'm missing. And I'm not blind. So let's see. Come on. I feel good about it. I feel good. I feel good. Let's see. Oh, we got Roxy Rock Angels, guys. And we don't have her. She's wearing dark color clothes with a top in white, very cute hat, a view from the back. Roxy Rock Angels is number 5. Check. From Roxy to Roxy. We are gonna place you right on top. Right on top of it there. And the other one, we already know there is not gonna be a duplicate. That's so awesome. Jade, you're so pretty, Jade. So pretty. And you're not a duplicate. Jade is wearing a pink beanie, pink top, and green pants. The back. Let's check this baby out. Check. And you're gonna go all the way to the top. There. This is all I got. I did not complete my collection. And that's it for now. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook at CoolToys Official. Thank you for watching CoolToys. Bye-bye.